Hello everyone. In this tutorial on PMN Online, we will learn how to access Google Drive with an Outlook email. Are you tired of juggling between two different platforms to manage your emails and your cloud storage? Well, you're in luck. In this video, we'll tackle a simple yet powerful integration that can save you time and enhance your productivity. We'll show you a step-by-step process to seamlessly connect your Outlook email with Google Drive. This integration allows you to attach files directly from Google Drive when composing emails in Outlook, making your workflow much smoother. Let's dive in and simplify your digital workspace. Now, let's get into the expanded tutorial. First things first, you need to open Microsoft Outlook. To do this, you can either type Outlook into your favorite search engine or enter the URL directly into your web browser's address bar. Once the Outlook homepage loads up, you'll see a Sign In button prominently displayed in the top right-hand corner. Click on this button to move forward. You'll be prompted to enter your Outlook email address and password. It's important to use the correct credentials associated with your Outlook account. This step is crucial because it ensures that you're logging into the correct account, which will be essential for successfully integrating with Google Drive. After entering your credentials, hit the Enter key or click on the Sign In button to log into your Outlook account. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the main Outlook dashboard. Here, you'll notice a gear icon situated in the top right corner, which represents the Settings menu. Click on this gear icon to open a drop-down menu where you can personalize your Outlook experience. In this Settings menu, look for the Attachments option. This is a key step because the Attachments settings allow you to manage how you handle email attachments and connect to various cloud services, including Google Drive. Here's where the real magic begins. In the Attachments section, you will see a list of different cloud storage options. Among these, you should find the iconic Google Drive logo. Go ahead and click on this logo. This action initiates the connection process between your Outlook account and Google Drive. To finalize the connection, you'll need to log into your Google Drive account. If you're already logged into Google on your web browser, you might only need to confirm the connection. However, if not, you'll be prompted to enter your Google account credentials. This step is crucial as it authorizes your Outlook to access and integrate with your Google Drive, making it possible to attach files from Google Drive directly within Outlook. And that's it. Once you've successfully logged in, your Google Drive should now be connected to your Outlook email. This powerful integration means you can effortlessly attach Google Drive files to your emails in Outlook. This makes it easier to share large files without the hassle of email attachment size limits. By following these detailed steps, you've effectively linked two of the most popular productivity tools available today. This integration significantly enhances your ability to manage projects and communicate efficiently. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to access Google Drive with an Outlook email. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe to PMN Online so you never miss an update.